Hey guys, it's Steve with Clean Mesh, and I'm back with another quick tutorial lesson. And what this is going to be is talking about the default settings and not losing where you were. So let's just say, for example, you didn't like the default cube that Blender has graciously provided us with, and you are the type of person that wants a sphere to always be shaded smooth when you log in, and you want it above the grid line. So from here, maybe changing a couple of other settings and going into the edit and the preferences and probably something like the system, and you go, oh, I want my undo steps to be 100 like I do, and you can leave that at 100. Then all you have to do once you're completely done with your setup is go to File, Defaults, Save Startup File, and then you have to click it one more time. Make sure that you do that. So if we go ahead and click New, General, and we don't save this, boom, that's how it pops up. And the same thing works if you grab the splash screen and you come over to video editing. That same thing will work right here. So get all your render settings just the way you want on your copy of Blender, and if you just happen to be using the Blender launcher, then you can grab a number of different download builds and you can have each one set a little separate. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tip. Make sure to smash the like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.